SST updates. Big change ahead for the construction industry.
RMCD, Royal Malaysia Customs Department, has released Service Tax Policy No. 7/2025. Changing how service tax applies to construction and installation contracts. It will effective the 1st of July 2025.
Key points: engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning, ship and platform projects. Can be treated as either.
Construction services, subject to service, tax eligible for B2B exemption. Manufacturing, subject to sales tax, no service tax, not eligible for B2B exemption.
Installation, works by registered sales tax manufacturers.
If goods and installation are separated, only the installation work is taxed. If not separated, the entire contract is taxed.
Construction materials and work services.
If invoices separate materials and labor services, only the labor service portion is taxed. If not separated, 6% applies to the full invoice value.
Conclusion: separate materials and labor services in your contracts and invoices to avoid unnecessary tax. Source: Service Tax Policy No. 7/2025, Construction Works.
Thanks for your attention. And hey, looking for reliable company, secretarial, and tax support?
We began as an accounting firm offering bookkeeping services, and over the years, we've expanded into a full-service firm providing
company secretarial services, tax advisory, and SST submissions, withholding tax filing and expat payroll, support for international subsidiaries, payments, invoicing, and compliance, e-invoicing, training, and tailored software support. Thanks for watching. Follow us and stay updated on the latest tax and compliance news.